Hello, this is Brett from Radically Ambitious, and this is a follow-up to the podcast number 8 on App Data Pro. So, here we are at App Data Pro, and I'm going to focus on the iOS side of things. They do have Facebook apps, but that's not our focus here. What I'm showing you here is the top free apps, top paid apps on iPad, iPhone, all inside the App Store. So, you can find a lot of this data on the App Store, but the difference is you can't see the trending data that they don't show you in the App Store. Ironically, they do show you some of that stuff inside the Android market, but that's not what we're doing here. So, why do I like this? One of the reasons why I like this is because I can understand an app maker's network of apps, which is important to kind of understand how I could do something similar. So, for example, this is one called Sketch Me, and it's got some good rankings in all these different places. And look, you can see, not bad, not bad. Okay. Well, the good part is let's go look at Blue Bear Technologies. Blue Bear Technologies. What am I going to learn from landing on their developer page? Well, hopefully I'm going to learn how they're doing their business, and I can start to see something happening already. What I am noticing now is that source code is going to be the same for things like Sketch Me and Negative Me. So how do I think that they're going to probably further expand on this? Well, they might do something like Charcoal Me or Watercolor Me, something along those lines. But the whole idea is they started going down the path of how they're going to do this. The other thing you can see is that's just one of their applications and how they're duplicating it. You can also see the same thing for Ginger Booth. So this, I'm sure, makes you have red hair. And so Ginger Booth. You also have Hair Color Booth and Geek Booth. Alright, so all kind of starting to build off the same basis, which is pretty cool. And so what I like to do is I like to come in here and get ideas from what is obviously working for other people, as you can see in the top paid app entertainment and all these different things, all these different places that they're ranking, which is, pretty impressive. And kind of get an idea of, okay, well, how could I do something similar that might get me into the top ranking apps? Well, I mean, something instead of Sketch Me or Hair Color Me, why not Dread Me, or something along those lines. Give me dreads, or you could get all kinds of cool ideas that you could come up with. But I like this because I can see developers' profiles and I can research them and kind of understand where they're going with their network, and then I can also take that same information and incorporate it into my own business. This is Brett with Radically Ambitious. If you haven't yet subscribed to the podcast, please do so over on iTunes. And if you'd like to visit the website and leave some comments, please do so at radicallyambitious.com. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.